spreading and becoming harder to ignore. Small, persistent, and remarkably well adapted. It doesn't chase its prey. It waits for it. And when the opportunity comes, it attaches. Then it feeds. And it isn't just one. There are more waiting. Given enough time, a tiny tick can become something much harder to ignore. And that's when the hidden hunter reveals itself. Welcome to BONER'S Botanicals. Today, we're giving ticks a botanical beatdown. Join, like, subscribe, and follow along as we present DIY tick defenses that give ticks the TKO. Here's a little trick for ticks. Castile soap helps bring our botanical oils together. Cedarwood means trouble for ticks, repelling over 80% of Lone Star ticks in testing. Lemon eucalyptus can keep Lone Star ticks at bay for hours at a time. Citronella showed over a 90% repellency against Lone Star ticks. Rose geranium packs a punch. In testing, it repelled over 90% of Lone Star ticks. Witch hazel is rich in tannins and has long been used to soothe and protect the skin. Neem oil means serious trouble for ticks. At full strength, it killed 97% of tick larvae in just 3 hours. Want to kick a tick's butt? Keep watching. Now we add the neem oil. Just 1/3 teaspoon for this 2-ounce bottle. Next, Castile soap, just 1/3 teaspoon. Let's not forget cedarwood oil, 15 drops should do the trick. Ticks are gonna hate this. Lemon eucalyptus oil, 10 drops should do it. Next, citronella oil. Just 5 drops of this stuff is all that's needed. Rose geranium. Want to put the final nail in a tick's coffin? Use 10 drops of this stuff. Now, witch hazel, our botanical base. This carries our botanical oils into the spray. Cap it. Give it a good shake. Our botanical defense is ready. This is a botanical nightmare for ticks. Next, let's drop a bomb on ticks using permethrin. Cotton balls become the delivery system. Mice collect this treated cotton and use it to build their nests. Mice carry the treated cotton home. The permethrin gets on their fur, and ticks feeding on them pay the price. Now, let's take the fight to the enemy. Want to talk population reduction? This should do the trick. It won't hurt the mice, but for ticks, it's doomsday. Don't underestimate sulfur. This simple powder can pack a serious punch against ticks and has been used successfully for centuries to fight this war. If Superman were a tick, this yellow powder would be his demise. Ticks don't like this stuff, and sulfur can deliver a serious blow to tick populations. Let's build a safe and effective dispersal system so we can apply this to our boots and pants. Now wait, we're not quite done. I want to take you guys outside the office to show you the field applications to these things. Now let's take these tick tubes out into the field. Now we take them into the field. Look for the sheltered areas where mice travel, feed, and build their nests. These little tubes are now part of the battlefield. Before we enter tick country, we armor up. Socks first, then inside and outside of the boots. Permethrin turns your socks and boots into a tick's worst shortcut. We build another line of defense. Tape the sock over the pant leg, then reverse it, sticky side out. Anything trying to climb up meets a very unwelcome surprise. What's in this sock is kryptonite for ticks. Give the boots and pant legs a good coating, working your way up. And finally, we add our botanical defense to the exposed areas, hands, arms, and clothing.